Good evening, internet. It is around 4:46 in the evening, and currently I am at a Kumartuli in North Kolkata. This is the place where all the idols are made for West Bengal and outside India also. So here, from here, the Durga idols and different types of idols are being made and exported to different places. So currently, more 53 days are left for Durga Puja, and today I am here to show you preparation of the Durga idols that are currently going on in Kumartuli. This is going to be the part 1 of the Durga Puja idol preparation video. So more videos I will make in the future in upcoming days of the idol preparation. So stay tuned to the channel. So here is the entrance of the Kumartuli. So there is my bike park and this is the main road. So from here I am entering the Kumartuli. These are the first initial shops. These are the idol maker shop. This is the first shop, and so this train is totally full of idol making shops. Here the idol preparation making are going on. Half of the work is done. Only the painting work are left. So comparatively the sizes are smaller due to this COVID norms. The budget of the pandals have decreased. That's why they have to make small idols for the economic crisis. Here the idols are more smaller. There is a Ganesh idol you can see over there. Kept. Ganesh Chaturthi is also quite near. So here is the Ganesh idols, and here see the number of small Durga idols. These are called Akchala. These are the Durga idol preparation decoration shops. These are all the decoration stuffs for Ma Durga and the pandals. On the right side also there is the same shop. Here you can see the preparation work has been done. The frame is made of the bamboos. So these are then after the idols will be placed up. You can see there. Few shops that I have covered from that entrance. Majority of the shops are preparing, the majority of the artists are preparing small Durga idols this year. This is the second year that the Durga Puja will happen in this COVID crisis, and so because of the COVID crisis that hit the economy of the local pandals, the big pandals are also preparing small Durga idols. So because of the economic crisis that has happened due to COVID, there are less advertisements, less sponsorships. That's why people are not able to gather that much amount of money to make the Durga Puja more grand that it used to happen before 2020. So the few shops that I shown you are preparing small height Durga idols. Now next few shops the idols are big. So stay tuned and you will also get to see. So there is the entrance I was talking about, and now I'll be taking a right turn, a D route from here. This is a small lane of Kumartuli, and here 50% of people see this is another Ganesh idol. Since Ganesh Chaturthi is quite near, so Ganesh idol are also being seen. For those who don't know, Kumartuli is one of the best place where you can get a collection of artists that make idols. As you see, Ganesh Chaturthi is quite near. That's why you can see many Ganesh idols also. So here in this shop also you can see the Durga, small height Durgas. There is an artist preparing the Durga. So it needs quite of hard work and experience to prepare this kind of Durgas. You can see that since it was raining just few minutes back, that's why many of the shops are covered. Here is this Durga is comparatively larger than the before I have shown you. Since it was raining, all the shops are covered, and that's why, so that the idols don't get affected. See how big this Ganesh is. So this Ganesh are mainly for the big pandals that takes place. In Maharashtra, Ganesh Chaturthi is being celebrated in a large scale, but not in West Bengal, Kolkata. In Kolkata, there are few places from in which Ganesh Chaturthi has been celebrated for years. Basically, like in Salt Lake, there are 2 to 3 pandals where Ganesh Chaturthi is being celebrated in large scale. The Ganesh idols are big like this. Not unlike Maharashtra, in Kolkata, the Ganesh idols are quite small, and being Ganesh Chaturthi is being celebrated in a small scale. Since Durga Puja, 53 days left for Durga Puja. The Durgas which will go outside India will be completed within a few days and will be shipped like in UK, USA, and other European or American countries. The Durga idols will be prepared before, it would be shipped before and will be completed soon. That is the end of this gully. Now I'll be going to this gully. I don't think there are that much shops compared to this gully, so let's check out whether there are some shops or not of Durga idols. This is the first shop I spotted where the painting work of the idol has started. Means this has to be prepared quickly for exporting to other cities. So now here are some big Durgas compared to the other Durgas. Now the few shops that I am going to show you are quite huge, quite large compared to the previous Durgas. So these 4 to 5 shops prepare big Durgas every year, and these are for the famous pandals of Kolkata. So have a watch. So these shops I was talking about, this every year used to prepare large scale Durga idols, but this year also, like the other shops, here also the height of the Durga are quite average compared to the other years. So you can see how the uh, crisis have hit all the people. So this Durga is comparatively larger. Let's have a watch. Again back to the main lane which exists to the main road. So last few shots are left, so hope you had an idea of how the preparation is going on. The preparation are going on in full fledged in Kumatuli, and 50% work of majority of the shops are done. Now the artists are preparing to color and decorate, and then the real celebration starts. I don't know how the celebration will be this year. Third wave is knocking on the door, so hope that goes away. So finger crossed, and have a glimpse of the last few shots that prepared huge idols. So after that, I leave from here. Hope you and I had an idea for those who were thinking of how's the preparation going in this for the Durga Puja 2021. So this is quite a beautiful Durga. It is prepared, ready for painting actually. So these are the shots I was talking about. The people huge scale Durgas, huge height Durgas. You can see there. There's a Durga idol there. Prepare. This is the mitti coating is left for this one to be done. So here, see how a pretty Durga idol in one frame been kept. His shop prepares very good small Durga idols, but the shop owner, the artist is missing, so couldn't capture. Next time I'll capture after the painting is done. So that was all from the initial part 1 of Durga Puja idol making process, and next I'll try to come after the painting work starts. So then I will also give you the update. So hope you all liked this video and it was informative to you. If you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And if you like this video for whatsoever reason, please do give the video a like. Till then, bye bye, and I'll meet you in the next upcoming vlogs, travel vlogs, this type of vlogs. So stay tuned.